In this video, I'll show you how to lower the rear seats of your Kia Optima. Many cars have a latch on each corner, but this car is a bit different. You need to pop the trunk. And then on each side, you're going to find these latches that you need to pull. And once you do this, it means that it's unlocked, so you can simply grab the back seats by the headrest and pull down the whole thing. Now, if it doesn't go down, obviously you may have to push the front seat a bit forward to give more space so you can fold down properly. Or you can put back the headrest in its place. If you want to do that, you have a button here, you see, that you press so it goes inside. To put it back, you just have to slam back this backrest. Make sure it's standing in place, and this is about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.